Hari Nambudri is the chairman of the WMC America region. Hari Nambudri is from WMC Rio Grande Valley province and is a healthcare professional, community leader, activist, as well as a motivational speaker. He serves in various capacities in many local, state, national, and global organizations. He has won several recognitions, including congressional recognition for his community service and leadership. Recently, he was appointed by the governor to the State Advisory Board of Texas Nursing Facilities. He anchors and presents programs and works as a special correspondent in many media outlets.
Tangam Aravind from the New Jersey province is the president of the WMC American region. She is working as a professor at the College of Nursing in New Jersey and is the first Indian woman recipient of the Thomas Edison State Minority Nurse Educator Grant Program awarded by the U.S. HRSA. Tangam worked at many organizations such as NANA, NAMM, Ganj, and KHNA and proved her leadership. She was a recipient of various awards in her professional domain, including the prestigious Daisy Award from Compassionate Care, the Jane Machado Endowment Award in the U.S., and the Indo-American Press Club Award for Community Service.
Biju Chacko is the General Secretary of the WMC America region. He is from the New York province. Biju is working in the healthcare field of respiratory care and sleep medicine. He always takes up responsibility with utmost enthusiasm. He is an ambitious, self-made, down-to-earth person. He serves on the director board of ECHO since its inception in 2013 and aims to serve people without any expectations. He is passionate about traveling and photography. Thomas Cheleth is the treasurer of the WMC America region. He is from the Dallas province and served in WMC since the year 2000. He is very actively involved in many organizations and is a very dynamic leader.
Dr. Sophie Wilson from the New Jersey province is a WMC American Regional Vice Chairperson. She has proven leadership in various professional fields as a nurse administrator and as a licensed nursing home administrator for the past 3 decades. She has presented nationally at various professional and community organizations across the USA. Dr. Wilson worked in various institutions including Karuna Charities, Kerala Association of New Jersey State Nurses Association, Organization of Nurse Leaders, and various religious establishments.
Koshi Oman Thomas is the Vice Chairman of the World Malayali Council America region. Koshi is from WMC New York province. He is working as a mortgage consultant. He's actively associated with various organizations, including New American Voters Association, Justice for All, World Federation of Tamil Youth, New York chapter, and American Multi-Ethnic Business Coalition, New York chapter.
Jacob Kudashanade is the Vice President Admin of the WMC American region. He is from the Houston province and has been a very active member of WMC since inception. He is also actively involved in other organizations, which include the Indo-American Press Club, Reporter TV, and the Malayali Association of Greater Houston.
Vidya Kishore is the Vice President of the WMC America region. Vidya Kishore is from the New Jersey province and is a senior human resource professional with more than 20 years of business experience across several industries. She is currently head of HR corporate functions at Johnson & Johnson in New Brunswick, New Jersey. She has a master's in HR from Rutgers and advanced degrees in chemistry from University of Madras, India. In addition to WMC, she likes to travel and to help people.
Shalu Ponnus is the Vice President of Project and Charity of the WMC American region. He's working as a registered nurse in Pennsylvania and is actively involved in various public activities. He held leadership roles in Ecumenical Fellowship of PA, Indo-American Press Club, FOMA, and many nonprofit organizations. He started a group in Philadelphia and united around 250 youth under one umbrella.
Dr. Nisha Pillai, WMC America Region Women's Forum President. Dr. Nisha Pillai, living in New York, is working as an assistant professor of cardiology at the Nassau University Medical Center, New York. She received the prestigious Women in Cardiology Award from the American Heart Association and serves on the Women's Council of the American College of Cardiology. A well-known speaker and a prolific writer, she is the founder-chairperson of My Princess Foundation and founder-director of Maitri International Foundation.
George Epen from the WMC Houston Province is the WMC Youth Forum President. He began his career in the financial services industry with Bharti AXA in India. Along with his partner, George started Prompt Insurance Agency at Houston. In addition, George has served in various organizations like the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce and the South Indian U.S. Chamber of Commerce.
Lakshmi Peter, WMC America Region Art and Cultural Forum Chairperson. Lakshmi Peter is from the WMC Houston Province. She's a well-known classical trained singer and Bharatanatyam dancer, a professional MC, and the owner of the popular Miss Malayali USA. She's an engineer by profession and works for an oil and gas company in Houston. She is a television anchor and a well-known radio personality. She spends her free time supporting education-based community projects.
Sabu Kurian, the media chairperson of the WMC American Region, is from the Atlanta Province. Sabu has lived in both Europe and America and has served as a key leader in many organizations. He is a very active member of WMC. He was also involved with British politics, where he was the Conservative Party Deputy Chairman and Indian Community Patron.
Anil Krishnankuti is the Joint Secretary of the WMC America Region. He is from the Washington, D.C. province and a software engineer by profession. He's an accomplished coder and programmer and specializes in designing and building software. He's obsessed with all things tech-related and spends most of his free time developing his own software and apps. He enjoys watching movies, traveling, playing video games, and hiking with his friends.
Cicely Joy Pariampallil from the New York Province is a joint treasurer of WMC American Region. The former WMC American Region Women's Forum president is working as a nursing administrator and has served in many community organizations.
Millie Phillip is the WMC America Region Women's Forum secretary. Millie Phillip is from the WMC Pennsylvania province and she's working as a special education supporter. She's a social activist and involved in various community organizations, including IAPC and Malayali Association of Greater Philadelphia. She's the former Women's Forum chair of the WMC PA province. Jimmy Scaria is the Youth Forum secretary. Jimmy is from the New York province and is involved in various youth conferences. Baijulal Gopinathan is the IT Forum chair. Baijulal is from New Jersey and working in IT industry. He's a very active member of WMC.